What's up, guys? It's your boy Eek for East Coast Ken, and guess what? I got some great news. I got an internship at a local body shop. That's right. So for the last couple of days, I've been going after school and working. Now, unfortunately, it is an unpaid position. However, part of it is I'm on a probationary period. If they like me, I fit in well, and I do decent work, and I have the prospect of becoming a good body tech, they will hire me on full time when I graduate in August once I become ICAR certified. So let me show you around and show you just a little bit of the things that I've been working on at this new shop. The S10, pretty much prepped, ready to go. And today I'm going to be working on this right here. Hey, all you Mustang fans, Mr. Mach 1, Brailsford's Ride, 91 LX, all of you guys, let me know. Is this thing real? V8 32 valve, liquid cooled. I think that says Kenny Bell. JLT Performance, Big Air, SVT, Terminator. I know nothing about this thing other than I bet it's pretty quick. So what I gotta do is take the front bumper off and fix that little bit of stuff right there. Oh, what is that thing? Oh, guys, Mustang fans, tell me what that bad boy is. Tailgate to the S10's almost done. Alright guys, there's the back bumper, there's the front bumper. As you can tell, there's a little bit right there. There's some scratches. Not quite sure what happened there. But that's what we're going to be fixing. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Have a good one.